How to cancel an order in Grabfood. In this video, I will show you how you can cancel an order in Grabfood. So to get started, go ahead and open Grab into your device and then go ahead and sign into your account and make sure that your location is correctly pinned. Now, in here, go ahead and click on food and then select an item that you want to order from Grabfood. So go ahead and select a shop from this list of shops that you'll find in here, and then go ahead and select an item that you want to order. So click on the shop where you want to order, and then once you're inside the shop, go ahead and select an item that you want to order from the shop. So to select an item, just need to click on the plus icon at the bottom right of that specific item, and then make sure to customize that item to fit your preferred style of drink if you're ordering a drink. Now, once you have customized this, you'll be able to find an add to basket button. So make sure to fill out all of the required information in here to add this to your basket. So click on that and then click on basket, and then on the checkout section, go ahead and click on this place order button. Now, you'll be given a minute to cancel your order on Grab. Now, once your driver has been assigned on the specific order, you cannot cancel it anymore. You can only cancel your order in between that 1 minute given to you by Grab. And that is how you can basically cancel an order on Grab.